those knights starting to go to the crusades. And first of all was formed a group of the Hospitallers. The complete name was the Knights of the Hospital St. John from Accra. Then the Templars, which invented the travel check. You know the procedure. You was going to the crusade, put the money that you want to take it with you on the hands of the Templar Knights from France, from England, from your place. You will travel, and when you arrive on the Holy Land, the travel knights, which were already there, they will pay you your money minus their their bonus. So they invented this travel check, and in the same time they invented a very good way to make money, a lot of money, as you know. And they were killed finally by the kings of France, which need their richness, because he was very poor in that in that moment, or in debt. And the third order of knights was those Teutonic knights, which actually after a lot of years of battle against the Muslims. So in these crusades, I read the book written by one of the Muslims from Syria, from that area, and that writer, it says that actually, briefly speaking, the Muslims were fighting peacefully between themselves, and one day arrived the first Crusaders and starting to kill them and to conquer their fortresses, their cities, their places. So they were forced to start to defend themselves, and when they starting to defend themselves properly and in a very good way, under the command of Sarrazin, it was after couple of decades. I will try to enter inside of the tower where I'm right now,